You three in particular had a wild game of connecting dots.
Because how could a 10-minute conversation during a 4-hour lunch set in motion a movement?
I actually helped Rob get the book published. We went to lunch one day, we were talking, he wanted to do a book, and
The chance lunch led to a movement.
I said, well, let me try to see what I can do.
So when Ron hit me up and said, I got this guy Rob, and maybe you can talk to him about this commercial.
It just was meant to be. It just really came together naturally.
Rob is like a creative tornado. He just throws everything at you in one shot. And then, I don't know if anybody knows Rob, but he vapes a lot. When he thinks he's like, yo, bro, you gotta work my kids in here too. I mean, everything's jamming and all in, so it's my job to kind of take all this information and kind of make it into a cohesive 1-minute spot. So
The new Relocators commercial. World premiere right now. Let's roll it.
Are you experiencing the stress of a move? Have to find storage, host an estate sale, or auction with people you trust? Now add death in the family or divorce on top of it. Feeling overwhelmed and telling yourself you're not gonna take it anymore? Then call Relocators. From moving, clean out, storage, estate sales, and online auctions, this team rocks. And you know me, Snider from Twisted Sister. I use Relocators. These guys aren't just your average movers. My buddy Rob Esposito wrote the book on it, literally.
Real estate pros, therapists, you know how hard this is on your clients. Make sure they read Nobody Moves.
If you like the rock star treatment like I do, then call